Hi, my name is Tim. I work at ICEV, and in this video we'll be looking at setting up Magento tax settings. So in this video we'll be using Magento version 2.3.1, but the principle and options should be the same in previous versions of Magento as well. So we're doing this because without the tax settings set up, as you can see in the shopping cart here, there is no tax amount. Whenever order confirmations or invoices are sent, that will also show no tax amount, which isn't ideal. So in this example, we're going to set up a 20% tax for the UK to cover the VAT. So this is done by going into the admin area, and the first step is to go to stores and tax zones and rates. As you can see, there's already a couple set up for the US. So if we add a new tax rate, okay, so under tax identifier, this will be your name for it. So we'll call this 20% VAT. You'll see there's a zip or postal code range that you can check to apply the enter in the postal codes that will apply to. In this case, we're not using this because we're applying it to all the UK. So we just put an asterisk under the zip postcode area so it covers all of the UK. We'll change the country to United Kingdom, and under the rate percent we'll put 20. Okay, now if we save this rate, and now that that's saved, we'll go back to stores and go to tax rules. From here we'll add a new tax rule. So under name we'll put UK tax. You'll see under the tax rate, we've got the tax rate previously created, so we'll click our 20% VAT and expand the additional settings. Under additional settings, you'll see customer tax class, so this are the customer groups that the tax class will apply to. Under product tax class, you'll see that taxable goods is selected, and you'll probably know that when you create a product, you'll have a tax class drop down where you can select none or taxable goods. None will apply no tax to that product. Taxable goods, once we've completed this, will apply the tax zone that we created just now. You can also decide whether the tax amount will calculate off of the subtotal only, but that's it. Before we save the rule and apply it to the website though, I'd just like to direct you to the import tax rates at the bottom. So if I was creating this for not just the UK, but let's say also France, Spain and Italy, instead of creating the individual tax zones and rates, I can import a CSV of the four of them, and when I imported that, it would automatically create those for the four countries that I just mentioned. Okay, so if we save the rule, and now if we go back to the front end of our website, refresh, you'll see that now there is a tax amount for this order. But that's it. All right, take care.